Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you are trying to change your TikTok handle but keep getting a username format error, this means the text you typed violates one of TikTok's strict system rules. I have verified the latest platform guidelines, and I will show you exactly what is causing the error and how to fix it right now. Let's get started. First, TikTok usernames have very specific character restrictions. You can only use standard letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. If you are trying to include any spaces, emojis, or special symbols like exclamation points, dashes, or the @ symbol, the app will instantly reject it. Delete any of these unsupported symbols and ensure all of your words are connected. Next, while periods are completely fine to use to separate words, there is a hidden rule about where they can be placed. A TikTok username cannot end with a period. If your desired handle is something like creator dot, that final dot will automatically trigger a format error. Simply remove the period at the very end or move it to the middle of the username to instantly clear the warning. Finally, ensure your requested username is not too long. TikTok caps all handles at a strict maximum of 30 characters. If your text exceeds this limit, it will not be accepted. Once your name is under the limit, contains only the approved characters, and does not end in a period, the box will light up green, provided the username isn't already taken by someone else. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.